Hello friends, welcome to this session on English grammar. We have been studying parts of speech in our sessions lately. If you remember, there's a category which gives additional information about verbs. Can you guess which one it is? Yes, they are adverbs. Adverbs help explain how an action is performed by a noun or a pronoun. They help us gain clarity on how or in what manner, where, when, or how often something is done. Let's learn more about them. He runs fast. She eats slow. Here, the adverb fast describes the verb runs, whereas the adverb slow describes the verb eat. But did you know adverbs also give additional information or describes another adverb as well as an adjective? Let us see how. He runs extremely fast. She eats extremely slow. Could you identify the adverbs here? Yes, fast and slow, as fast tells us more information on the verb run and slow tells us more information on the verb eats. But there is one more adverb in both of these sentences. Yes, that is extremely. The adverb extremely modifies the other adverbs fast and slow. He is an extremely fast runner. She is an extremely slow eater. Which are the adverbs here? Is it fast and slow? Read the statements carefully once again. Fast gives additional information about the noun runner, whereas slow gives additional information about the noun eater, which makes them adjectives. Here, the word extremely is the adverb, and it is describing the adjectives fast and slow. This also brings us to an understanding that one word can come under multiple parts of speech based on its usage. So, we can conclude that adverbs give additional information about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Now, can we identify the adverbs from the following sentences? Here's a tip which may help you in identifying the adverbs. Most adverbs end with ly. Hope you have got all the answers correct. Moving ahead, adverbs are divided majorly into 9 types. We shall look at them one by one. Take a look at these sentences. She is eating out. We go for a jog in the park. Here, the adverbs out and in show a place where the action is happening. Hence, the adverbs which show a particular place where the action is supposed to happen are called as adverb of place. We can identify adverb of place by asking the question where. For example, where is she eating? Out. Where do we go for a jog? In the park. Identify the adverb of place in the given statements. Now, take a look at these sentences. The teacher was quite disappointed. Finish your food quickly. Here, quite shows how disappointed the teacher was, and quickly shows how you should finish your food. These adverbs which show how or in what way the action is performed are called as adverbs of manner. To identify adverb of manner, we can ask questions with how. How disappointed was the teacher? Quite disappointed. How to finish your food? Quickly. Ain't that easy? So, can you quickly identify adverb of manner in the following statements? Hope you have got all the answers correct. We shall continue learning other types of adverbs in the next session. Friends, you may suggest any such topic which you find difficult by posting it in the comment box below. Before you leave, take a look at these online courses hosted on our platform www.letstude.com. See you soon. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and subscribe to Let's Tude. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified with our latest updates.